Top dollar for that kind of breakthrough.
You know what, Rick? That's it. I'm done with these insane adventures. That was really traumatizing. I quit. I'm out.
Whoa, come on, Morty. Don't be like that. The universe is a crazy, chaotic place.
You're the one that's crazy and chaotic. Crazy and chaotic. Crazy and chaotic. Crazy and chaotic.
How are you today? I'm Mr. Jellybean.
Hi, Mr. Jellybean. I'm Morty. My grandpa and I are on an adventure.
Nice. Is it a fun adventure?
I hope so. But I'm starting to get nervous that maybe it's gone a little too far off the rails.
Isn't that what adventures do?
Hey, you know what? You're right. Everything's going fine. I just gotta relax and go with the flow.
Run, Morty! Run! I'm sorry, Morty. It's a bummer. In reality, you're as dumb as they come. And I needed those seeds real bad, and I had to give them up just to get your parents off my back. So now we're gonna have to go get more. And then we're gonna go on even more adventures after that, Morty. And you're gonna keep your mouth shut about it, Morty. Because the world is full of idiots that don't understand what's important. And they'll tear us apart, Morty. But if you stick with me, I'm gonna accomplish great things, Morty. And you're gonna be part of them. And together we're gonna run around, Morty. We're gonna do all kinds of wonderful things, Morty. Just you and me, Morty. The outside world is our enemy, Morty. We're the only friends we've got, Morty. It's just Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty and their adventures, Morty. Rick and Morty forever and forever, 100 years. Rick and Morty's things. Me and Rick and Morty and running around in Rick and Morty time. All day long, forever. All 100 days. Rick and Morty forever, 100 times. Over and over, rickandmortyadventures.com. www.rickandmorty.com. www.rickandmortyadventures.